Okay, Josh from Vacuums RS again. We've tested the power switch on this Miele. We found that the switch was good. So we're gonna move on to some other troubleshooting ideas here. Something that's very common with Miele's is that the cord reel goes bad. So, you know, your cord reel goes in and out, it looks fine to you, you think it's great, but it may not have continuity. That means the power may not be flowing through the cord reel into the circuit board, into the motor. So we're gonna pop this open. We're gonna pop the lid off right here. Now we have access to the cord reel, and the cord reel should pop out without any significant issues here. There we go. And now we have exposed the two leads that come off of the cord reel right here, negative and positive. So I'm gonna pull my continuity tester, and on my continuity tester, on my multimeter, I set to there, that's gonna test for continuity. I always test to make sure I'm set properly. I am. And I also always forget which side is negative and positive on these plugs, so I end up testing both of them. So I'll test that side, touch, I have continuity on that side. I'm gonna test the other side of the cord, test the other cord, and I have continuity on that as well, which means that my cord reel does have continuity. Miele started manufacturing their cord reels. It's difficult to tell at this point where Miele is manufacturing anything. They've retained the Made in Germany sign on their units, but we are aware that many part numbers have changed because many of their components are now being manufactured in China, and then they just kind of get slapped into the machines in Germany. So strictly speaking, you know, made in Germany is relative these days, particularly with Miele products, which is, I believe, around the time that we saw a lot of the part numbers changing to Chinese part numbers was also around the time that we saw the failure rate of things like cord reels increase dramatically as well.